Hey guys, today we're going to be doing part 2 of the sweater nails. I'm going to show you a simpler way to do this. So basically all you're going to need here is clear acrylic, gel polish, and a matte top coat, and a dotting tool or a very, very thin brush. You want it as small as you can make it. So what you're going to do is go ahead and paint your nails with whatever gel polish color you decide. Cure it. Maybe do 2 layers depending on your coverage. That's totally up to you. Uh, and then after you cure it, we're going to skip ahead to the top coat. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do our matte top coat. You're going to cover the nail one coat. Make sure it's covered completely, but not too much, otherwise it's going to wrinkle. I had a little trouble here. There was some hair or something, I don't know. But so you're going to give it one good layer of the matte top coat. I suggest only one because whenever I try to do 2 of the matte, it gets kind of gross and wrinkly. So, whatever works for you though. And then we're going to come back with our same color gel polish and do our design. Alright, so I'm using my super thin brush. You can use a dotting tool, whatever, just try to make it as small as possible. You want to go ahead and do your pattern, whichever pattern you choose, just something sweater-like, I guess, and paint that on as thin as you can, because if the polish is bulky or thick, when you put the clear acrylic over it, it's going to push it down and flatten out your details. So you want to make it as thin as you can, because you could always do 2 layers of the pattern, I guess 2 coats, if you need to get the raised detail that you want if it's not thick enough on the first try. So just do it as thin as you can, and then we're going to go ahead and grab our clear acrylic. Now make sure you have a little bowl or something underneath. Just grab a spoon or whatever to scoop it out with. So you're going to lay the nail completely flat, and you're going to take a little bit of clear acrylic and you're going to sprinkle it over the design. Make sure you cover all of the design, all of the wet part. You want to make sure you get it over the entire thing so that all of the surfaces match, because the gel polish is going to be shiny otherwise, and the clear acrylic is what's going to give it that matte finish. So then you're going to cure it and try to knock some of the clear acrylic off. You're going to go ahead and cure it. I'm using my flashlight. You can use your lamp. But I'm going to go ahead and cure that, and then if you need to add to any of the details, like if some spots were missed or if it's not raised enough or whatever, because like I said, we did a really thin layer, then you're going to go ahead and just do another layer, do the same thing with the clear acrylic that you did before, and then you want to cure it and dust it off, and then we'll take a look at the finished product. Alright, so wrapping this up, I know this was a short video, but this is really simple and easy to do. I skipped all the laying the acrylic part, but so this is a finished product. Takes like 5 minutes, it's super easy to do. I suck at hand painting, so obviously my pattern wasn't great. But hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.